Hey guys, and welcome back to your favorite channel on this platform. Today I'm going to show you how to make this super delicious curry chicken recipe. Easy to make and super flavorful. So let's get into it. Alright, so these are some of the ingredients that you'll need. Those are the spices to the right. I have a bowl with 12 wings that I chopped up. It was 12 whole wings and 4 thighs. So it's a mixture of thighs and wings. My green seasoning here that has the allspice berry, the scallion, the pepper, the habanero, the onion. And so you just blend it up and it's like it packs a punch, okay? It also has garlic in there as well. And so now I'm just going to season up the chicken. I'm going to go down in here with some Montreal chicken, some garlic herb, some kicking chicken, some onion powder. You just want to make sure you season it very well. And I have a lot of chicken here, so it might look like, oh my God, this is a big old bowl of chicken, okay? I also added my curry powder and the green seasoning, of course. Y'all, why am I always doing dishes when it's time to record? That's why I had to use that measuring cup. I didn't measure it. I had to use it because everything was in the washer, okay? This is what the chicken looks like, nice and seasoned and ready to go. I let it chill for a couple hours, and then now we're going to get to it, okay? Your chicken needs to change color, baby. It needs to look like this or better. So I'm going to drop down in here 2 tablespoons of butter. It's supposed to be oil. I didn't have any, so I'm using butter. Listen, I make it work, okay? But if you have oil, olive oil, any neutral oil is even better, and you're going to melt that down into the pan. And then to that, I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of the curry powder. I'm going to burn the curry in the skillet. Y'all, I know y'all tired of seeing the same pan. I bring this up all the time. Y'all ain't got no pots. I don't have time. I don't care to go get it. I don't want to go buy it. I don't want to do nothing, honey. Like I always tell y'all, being a mom takes up my whole entire life, identity, my being, all of that. And I just don't care, but but on all seriousness, this is the biggest pot I have in the house. Except for my pressure cookers, those are really huge, but this is the biggest pot I have. But now I'm gonna add this. You see, I told y'all it was a lot of chicken. Look at all that chicken. Y'all seen all that chicken? You want to add that right on top, just like this. And you're going to cover it and leave it alone for 20 minutes on medium heat so it could, accumulate its own juice, and then we'll move on. Now I'm going to cook some rice. Now this is the rice. This is just plain old store brand rice. No extra nada. I'm going to wash my rice. I usually just wash it 3 times. I don't go over that. I don't think it's necessary, but I wash the rice. Make sure you wash your rice, okay? Washing the rice also makes it less sticky and, just more shelly, in my opinion. I don't think you need like a high brand rice for your rice to be shelly and cooked properly. So I just make sure I wash it really, really well. So I do it about 3 times, and then that's it. That's as far as I go, honey. People be washing it up to 10. Honey, I do 3. That's all I got in me, okay? So after I wash the rice, just like you see I'm doing here. Look at y'all. Y'all done got a new scene, honey. Y'all done seen my sink. I don't even be showing y'all my sink. Y'all done seen my sink. So now I'm going to put the rice on the stove. I'm going to season it up with some chicken bouillon powder, some fresh thyme, and butter. I'm going to cover it and let it come to a boil. My heat is on high. I need you to hear me. It's on high heat. Once it comes to a bubble and you mix everything in, you're going to drop it down to medium low. Not low, medium low. You see the rice to water ratio? Thank you. You cover it, medium low, leave it alone. Now let's get back to this chicken. I didn't touch this chicken. You see how I made all this juice? You mix it up. You see those brown bits? Because that's when we dropped it in there with the hot butter and the hot, curry. And look at the color on the, the other side of the chicken, like right here. I'm about to show you guys this right here. And then it made its own juice. Okay? You see how delicious it looks? Nice and luscious. We ain't getting nowhere yet. But we getting there, okay? We're getting it together. So now I'm going to add the garlic, the peppers, the onions, the carrots down in here, and some water. You can use chicken broth. That's fine. Didn't have any. I'm using water. Mix this up. Cover it again. Let it cook for 25 minutes. Once they're married together, we're going to taste for seasoning. All right, so let's get back to this rice. It's been about 15 to 18 minutes, and now I'm going to fluff it up. As you can see here, it's not sticky, not gummy, not overcooked. Now, the reason why I didn't remove the thyme stems yet is because I want those leaves to fall off. They don't completely fall off when they boil, so I'll leave them in there so that when I mix it, they'll fall off. As you can see, they fall completely off when you like mix it. So now back to the chicken. This is what it looks like. I'm going to taste for seasoning. This is where you want to know, hey, this is not hot for me. It tastes good, but listen, I need this girl to give me that kick in the back. So I needed salt, pepper, and some more heat, and that's what I did. So I put salt, pepper, some of the Scotch bonnet hot pepper sauce, and some fresh thyme, and then the girl was kicking, honey. The girl was giving me everything I needed her to give. Pause. Okay, it was giving me everything I needed to give, and this is how it looks. So now this is like the last 5 minutes of cooking. I'm on medium high heat because now we're just reducing. We're just reducing so the gravy could get nice and thick. Right, so right at like the last 90 seconds or so, you add your green onions to freshen things up a bit, and we're done. The chicken is done. Finally, it's done. Look how delicious and amazing that gravy looks. And I like a lot of sauce, okay? I don't like dry curry chicken, so I got a lot of sauce. And the sauce is giving what it needs to give. So now let's split this thing up. Of course, we're going to serve this up with some white rice, and I'm using broccoli today. Comment below and let me know if you're a white rice girl with curry chicken or a rice and peas girl. I'm definitely a white rice girl, okay? But this is what it looks like, you guys. Look at the sauce. Look at the gravy. It's giving everything. It's so rich. It looks decadent, delicious, and just good to go. But thank you guys so much for watching. This dish was seasoned, spicy, savory, and it's going to give you your life. Okay, and if it didn't, you could come back here and drag me. Nah, you better not. But thank you guys for watching. Love you for your support so much, and I'll catch you on my next video. Bye!